There's another you in the future that already exists. These are the words of Dr. Joe Dispenza, a renowned researcher and speaker who's dedicated his career to exploring the untapped potential of the human mind. Welcome to a journey of self-discovery and transformation. We're embarking on an adventure of mind and spirit, exploring how we can connect deeply with our future selves for personal growth and profound change. This journey is illuminated by the teachings of Dr. Dispenza. His insights into the symbiotic relationship between our hearts and brains and how they interact with the energy of the universe provide a fascinating framework for personal transformation. Get ready for an exhilarating journey where we unlock the secrets of the heart's pivotal role in shaping our destiny. We're diving deep into mastering self-doubt and sparking transformative change within. Along the way, we'll arm you with powerful meditation practices, turning theory into thrilling reality. Brace yourself for an adventure into the depths of your consciousness, where you'll discover the electrifying power of aligning with your future self. Prepare to be inspired, energized, and profoundly transformed as we embark on this captivating exploration together. The heart, often associated with emotions, plays a crucial role in creating our future. It's not merely an organ that pumps blood throughout our bodies, but rather, it's the center of creation where emotions like love, joy, and gratitude emanate. These elevated emotions are not just feelings, they are powerful forces that can shape our reality. When we cultivate and sustain these positive emotions, our heart becomes coherent, creating a rhythmic, harmonious beat. This heart coherence then influences our brain activity, leading to brain coherence. Now, when your heart and brain are working together in harmony, it creates an optimal state for dreaming and imagining your future. But dreaming is just the start. To truly create our future, we must also synchronize our energy with the possibilities that exist in the quantum field. This vast field contains infinite potential realities, and we can tune into these different frequencies of energy through our thoughts and feelings. Imagine your heart as a powerful radio transmitter. By combining a clear intention from your brain with an elevated emotion from your heart, you create an electromagnetic field. This field, like a radio signal, broadcasts your energy into the quantum field, tuning you into the frequency of your desired future. Feeling the emotions of your future before it happens is key. This emotional bonding creates a vibrational match between your energy and the potential in the quantum field, drawing your desired future towards you. It's like falling in love with a future that is yet to happen, and this love acts as a magnetic force, pulling that future into your present reality. By understanding the heart's role, we can better shape our future. It's not just about thinking or dreaming about your future, but feeling it with every beat of your heart. Because when your heart and brain work together in harmony, you become the architect of your future, capable of turning your dreams into reality. Change is never easy, but with understanding and practice, we can overcome doubt and embrace our desired future. Now let's address one of the most common challenges we face when we're trying to connect with our future selves: maintaining the emotional state of the future. It's relatively easy to feel positive and optimistic about the future during meditation. But what happens when we're back in the real world, surrounded by stress and distractions? This is where the importance of consistent practice comes into play. Just as an athlete trains their body, we need to train our minds to remain in a state of positivity and optimism, to keep that connection with our future selves strong and alive. But it's not just about maintaining this state, it's also about overcoming emotional reactions that can disconnect us from our intended future. We all have these automatic reactions to stress, these habitual responses that are tied to our old stories and selves. This is what Dr. Joe Dispenza calls the emotional refractory period. It's a period of time after a strong emotional response during which we're less responsive to other stimuli. It's during these moments that we're most likely to fall back into old patterns of thinking and acting, and lose sight of our future selves. So, how do we overcome this? One strategy is to become aware of these habitual reactions and consciously choose to respond differently. It's about remembering and reconnecting with our future selves in these moments. It's about asking ourselves, how would my future self respond to this situation? And then acting accordingly. Another strategy is to practice feeling the emotions of our desired future in the present moment. This is something Dr. Dispenza emphasizes a lot in his teachings. By practicing these emotions, we're not only creating a stronger connection with our future selves, but we're also conditioning our bodies to live in this new state of being. Over time, this new state becomes our natural state, and we find ourselves living more and more in the energy of our desired future. Overcoming doubt and embracing change is vital in becoming our future selves. Change may be uncomfortable, but it's a necessary part of growth and transformation. So let's embrace it with open hearts and minds. Let's remember that we have the power to create our future, and let's use that power to become the best versions of ourselves. Personal transformation starts with changing our personality, which creates our personal reality. Think of your personality as a unique tapestry woven from your thoughts, actions, and emotions. It's this intricate blend that shapes how you experience and engage with the world. But imagine the possibilities if you could tweak this tapestry, dreaming of a richer, more fulfilling life. It starts with a refresh of your inner self. By refining our thoughts, reshaping our actions, and mastering our emotions, we can step into a version of ourselves that's closer to who we aspire to be. So how do we go about it? It starts with identifying those thoughts and behaviors that hold us back. It could be a negative self-perception, a habit of procrastination, or a tendency to react impulsively under stress. Once we've identified these, we can start to consciously alter them. We replace the negative thoughts with positive ones, swap the harmful habits with beneficial ones, and learn to respond rather than react to stressful situations. But that's only part of the transformation. The real magic happens when we start mentally rehearsing these new ways of being. This is where we leverage the power of our imagination to visualize ourselves embodying these new thoughts, actions, and feelings. We imagine ourselves being proactive instead of procrastinating, responding calmly under stress instead of reacting impulsively, radiating positivity instead of dwelling on negativity. And while we visualize, we also feel. We feel the emotions that come with these new ways of being. We feel the joy, the satisfaction, the contentment. We feel these emotions so intensely that our brain starts to believe that we're already living this new reality. And when our brain believes, our reality changes. Embracing this new life is a courageous act of personal transformation. Now, let us explore some practical applications and meditation techniques to align with our future self. Firstly, activating and opening the heart is a crucial step in this process. It involves generating feelings of love and gratitude, as these emotions create a coherent heart, which is the center of creation. You can start by placing your hand over your heart, focusing your attention there, and radiating a feeling of love and appreciation. This action alone can activate the heart and create a connection with your future self. Emotions are energy, and when we generate positive emotions, we create a magnetic field around us that attracts similar energies. Thus, by falling in love with your future, you can draw it to you. Imagine a future where you are living your dreams and feel the joy and excitement that it brings. This is the process of tuning in with your heart and creating your future. Remember, consistency is key. The regular practice of these techniques is what will bring about real change. It is important to stay conscious and aware of your new thoughts and behaviors. Pay attention to the moments when you fall back into old patterns and gently guide yourself back to the new state of being. This constant vigilance and awareness are the stepping stones to personal transformation. Now let's talk about specific meditation exercises. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit undisturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then imagine a sphere of energy around your heart, glowing with the light of love and gratitude. As you breathe in, visualize this light expanding, filling your body, and as you breathe out, imagine it radiating out into the world. Repeat this exercise for a few minutes each day, and soon, you will start to feel a shift in your energy. Meditation is a powerful tool for personal transformation. It allows us to connect with our future self and to bring that future into our present moment. By practicing these techniques, we can create a new reality for ourselves, one where we are living our dreams and fulfilling our potential. With these techniques, we can create a stronger connection with our future self. Personal transformation is key to connecting with and realizing our future self. This journey, though challenging, is a beautiful dance of becoming, of shedding old habits and embracing new ways of being. It's a process of aligning our heart with our mind, our actions with our intentions, and our present with our future. It is through this alignment that we tap into the infinite potential realities that exist within us and around us. Embarking on this journey of self-discovery and transformation allows us to come home to ourselves, to our true nature. It's an invitation to dream, to believe, and to create. It's an opportunity to tune into the energy of the future and make it our reality. We encourage you to share your experiences, your breakthroughs, your challenges in the comments below. Let's grow together, let's learn together, let's transform together. For deeper understanding and practical tools, we highly recommend looking into Dr. Joe Dispenza's work. His teachings offer valuable insights and techniques to navigate this journey of transformation. We've included links to his website in the description below. Thank you for joining us. Remember, your future self is waiting for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future content.